let's get started. OMG. You can't be kidding me, really. No.
It's so cute! I like the wow!
I love it! Look at
Can you try turning it on to see if it works?
Okay, let's check.
It's the little switches right there, the ones that have the little play button.
Yeah.
That one, turn it, yes. Switch it the other way. Oh, wow! That's so cute! Let's see if it works!
Okay. So guys, we are about to play my videos.
Yes,
So
we can't put any kind of music because of copyright issues, guys. You guys obviously know that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put one of our own videos with Maya, right?
Yeah.
And just so you guys know, tell us, Maya, why you like that speaker.
Because I love L.O.Ls too.
Ooh.
And you guys see, I just love them. I have a bunch of them and I'm trying to collect them all. Here I have another L.O.L house. Well, I'm trying to collect all of them all so we can see and we can get rare ones. So let's play my video.
Ooh, let's see. Hold on. Press the volume.
Oh guys, that's me, Maya!
Yay!
Collection, and we're gonna try to open more.
Of Mudge.
Yes!
Mooch, actually, right?
Yeah.
We just learned it's mooch.
Yeah.
That's so awesome! It works, guys. It's a little,
Yes.
it's a good volume, right, Maya?
Yes. Okay.
So Maya's gonna be listening to a lot of it in her play area, right, Maya?
Yeah.
Wow.
I need the checklist, don't I? But I have one.
So I'm gonna have so much fun and play these songs. As you guys know, I love the speaker. So let's pause it and take it off.
Oh, and it's also Bluetooth.
Oh yeah.
It's cool, right, Maya? I
Yeah.
like the lights and the colors.
Okay.
That's gonna be a little hard.
Okay. And I love the speaker a lot because it glows every time when I want it to glow.
It turns on. It's
Yeah.
cool.
Look, as you guys see, it's still lighting because I haven't
It's on.
okay.
Now it's off. It's so cute, and you can
So-
take it everywhere.
Yeah, even in your guys,
Like a
in
bike,
the car,
in their backpacks.
in
You
the
know,
car,
it's awesome.
stuff like that.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I love it. This is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions,
Comment below.
yes.
Thank you guys so much. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for the support. Thank you guys. Bye.